Megan here from Little Gray Squirrel. This is the third video tutorial in the 4-part series that shows you an example of my design process and how to use graphics and clip art in Silhouette Studio. Please check the description for more information on the rest of the tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to make stickers to seal the envelopes for the Valentine cards using the same Clipart graphics as I have on the rest of the designs. Here I will offset the graphics, add cut lines, fill the page, and get ready for print and cut. Watch the next video for how to actually print and cut the card, puzzle, envelopes, and stickers. The link to the blog post with all the details on where to get the font and clip art and all the videos is in the description below. Make sure you watch all the videos for the whole tutorial. So now it is time to make the stickers. I have 3 hearts here that we're going to use. And first you want to make sure that they're a good size. So these are just under 1/2 inch wide, which should be perfect for the envelopes. And then we are going to create some cut lines. So go ahead and select the 3 hearts, open the offset panel, and select offset. And go ahead and decrease the distance of the offset until it gets to where you want it to be. Go ahead and apply. And then I'm going to zoom in. Okay, so these two are pretty much perfect. This one is cute, but with the scalloped edge and cutting this small, it might be just more than the machine needs to kind of deal with. So we're just going to make this easier. So go ahead and turn on point editing by clicking it several times or clicking on this point editing tab. And then we're going to choose simplify and just go ahead and simplify it until you get enough of those points to disappear. If you need to, go in and delete some by yourself. So just select the point and hit the delete key on your keyboard. And you can move some of these to make it look better. So you just want to smooth it out a little bit. And I'm going to just move this line a little bit there. This is actually my favorite part of using Silhouette software, is editing points. It's just so amazing what you can do to your files. I mean, there's, you know, the machine will draw, or the software will draw lines, but you know, to be able to manipulate the lines yourself, you can get some pretty intricate and special designs. So, all right, that's pretty close. We are going to leave that. Okay, so let's go to our send panel. And we're going to make sure that we only have one set of cut lines. So right now we don't have any. So go ahead and select the 3 outer lines that we just created and choose cut. Now when you send these to cut and print, or print and cut, they'll have a nice outline. So we are going to go back into design and line these up. Make sure you're grabbing both the outline and the colored heart. Select all of them and group them. And you can move it to this edge of the your page and then open the replicate panel and select fill page. And this will take a couple minutes because it's a lot of information that it's figuring out. Also, having this kind of stuff on your design is going to slow down your software, so if at all possible, you would want to delete anything that you're not using. So, and there we go. We have our hearts, our page filled with hearts. If we wanted to, we can select them and move them closer together to fit more on the page, but it's just a matter of, you know, how many you need to get out. So this is 84 hearts. I did another one, I think I got 99, so. And then let's go to send and see what our cut lines look like. And they are perfect. So all we have to do now is print it out on sticker paper and load it in the machine and cut. Alright, so then go ahead and save this. So you go to File, Save As, save to your hard drive, give it a name, you know, choose a location, and select OK. Alright, that is it for this, this session of the designing. I am going to work on the second part soon, and that will be to actually make the peel open cards and the puzzle and the envelopes and put the stickers on. So I really look forward to that part. Don't forget to check out the description for any information and the link to the blog, and we will catch you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos where we have fun and make stuff. Also, follow Little Gray Squirrel on Pinterest and on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to see what's new.